What's up, guys? Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and we on day 20 of the 30-day jump rope challenge. And today we got 275 jumps. Now, yesterday was 300, and that was I was feeling that. Today 275. But here's the thing, I really don't feel like doing jump roping today. I really don't. But it's a challenge. It's a grind. So I'm going to get it in despite me not feeling like it. Anyway, if you want to check out the jump rope challenge I'm doing, of course, it's in the description of this video. Comment, let me know if you're going to do this challenge. You can follow along in the playlist. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. And let's get to work.